Hello artists, how are you today? Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River here near Willow Creek, California. Oz and I welcome you to the studio and we are very happy you are here with us today. Got a little poison oak going. Yay! It's already attacked my arm. I really do need to go and check about getting some allergy shots against poison oak because I am so susceptible to it. Oh. Today is my Monday at work, even though it is currently Friday. So I just wanted to get a couple of these done. I wanted to talk about what I have been doing. I can't remember where I left off because it's been probably about a week since I've gotten to this project. I am trying to do these ahead of time so that I'm not scrambling through the month of April. So be sure to check out the contest rules. Put a link up here hopefully for it. What I have made so far are some really cool backgrounds. And I've also decided to go ahead and do the backs of all of these. So I'm putting down basic ephemera, and then I am using some of your gorgeous things that you all have sent me through the ATC exchanges, and I have been using those for the backs of our pages. Look how cool those are. So excited about that. I know I have one more that's finished, I think. Maybe I don't. I should have. Oh, no, I don't, because the first video was the introduction. So you have received 4 keywords now, and we are on project 5. Let's see. Ooh, alcohol ink. Now, with alcohol ink on watercolor paper. Ooh, that one's going to be tough. Because the alcohol is going to absorb right into the watercolor paper. So how do I want to deal with that? I don't know. I don't know how I want to deal with that. So I'm just going to get out some inks and I'm just going to start playing. I'm probably going to start with some of my lighter colors first, excuse me, and see what happens. Now, it might be helpful for me to cover this with gesso first to kind of give it a little bit of a barrier and kind of waterproof it a little bit. So maybe I'll go ahead and put down some white gesso. How will white gesso react with alcohol ink? That's a good thing to find out. So welcome to day 5 of our project. Woo! Be sure to check out the contest rules. All right, let's get to it. But man, I love the gold alcohol ink. I really do. You guys know I use this quite often. And I am a believer in letting randomness happen with our alcohol inks. Now this is white. Woo! I'm dumping a lot on there because I don't have another. I'm just going to kind of move that around in here. I think I'm going to play with some flamingo in here. Because we can. I mean, we might scrape all of this off. It's not looking like much right now. Is it? Ah, it's kind of hella ugly. Oh, messed that up bad. Okay. All right, I'll be right back. All right, we got it wiped off. Let's try it again here. Let's see what we can do. This is Mermaid. Now you see, when we would use Yupo paper with this, it will have a different reaction. The ink doesn't soak in, so it completely reacts 100% differently than this. This is patina. Now patina's green, and so when we bring in red with green, we're going to make some browns. This thing is almost empty here, so I don't have a problem with playing with it. Hey artists, well, I think I'm gonna stop right there. Now, it took me a lot to get to this point, not gonna lie. And I think what the back is doing too. Remember, this is just supposed to be abstract backgrounds. I took way too long on this. These are supposed to take around 5 to 10 minutes. But on the other hand, I want to make sure that it's something cool and that I'm proud of and that I would want in my book that I am making. So we're going to take a little bit longer on some of them if we need to. We're learning about the properties of the, I'm looking for scissors. We're learning about the properties of the material and the paper that we've put it on. So for alcohol ink, I think I've made it quite successful considering it is on watercolor paper. It was a process to get there, and don't use gesso. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.